Every day, we live a normal life. Some of you are living a comfortable life, while others are suffering. These animals are alone in the streets, hungry and hurt. But you can do something. We are here to help you and the animals in need. Animals Haven is a project dedicated to animals in need. We sell digital and traditional artworks, and commissions are open with a starting price of 250 pesos. The funds we collected will go to donations for animals and feeding event for the strays. Join us and together we save strays. Speak up for them. Help them. Adopt them. Feed them. Let's help strays.